Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. If that sounds like your cup of tea or your double shot, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. If you decide to subscribe and you want to see some more of me, turn on your notification bell and you'll never miss an upload. I am so excited to announce that today is a collaboration. This is a palette bingo collaboration using the Blend Bunny Cosmetics Surge palette. This is one of my all-time favorite palettes. I have raved about this palette since getting it. I love it. I'm excited to dive in. Each beauty that is part of this collaboration is going to be linked down below. And when I go watch everybody, I'll add all of us to a playlist so you can enjoy at your leisure. Please take the time to go and watch these other fellow beauties. And y'all know what I say. If you go watch and you feel a vibe, you feel a connection, you can relate to that beauty. Subscribe. It is free for you. Free. And it would mean the absolute world to us. If you're coming from a fellow beauties channel, hey beautiful, welcome to my beauty family. I'm going to get started. I'm going to prep my lids with my Glamlite Icing Eye Base and Buttercream, and then we'll speed this little road show up. My colors that I got, y'all, I'm a little scared. I got 14, 19, 25, 16, and 26. So I have the shades Grunge. I have the shade Covet. This is going to be fun, y'all. I have the shade Flash. I have the shade Shocked. And the shade Power. So I don't really know what I'm going to do yet. I will say though, I really love the premise of a palette bingo. If you're somebody that you're just kind of stuck in a rut, or you play with so much makeup that you're just like, hey, I'm over it, or you don't know what to do, it's literally 5 random shades in the palette and you just create whatever happens. So y'all wish mama luck, okay? Yeah, we're gonna dive in. I'm excited to see everybody else's looks. Thank you so much to the fellow creators that wanted to do this collab with me. I would like to, moving forward, maybe do some type of a palette collab bingo type thing, maybe once a month. So if you check out my collection videos or my palette, collection videos, and you see a palette we may have in common, let me know. I'll drop it in the community tab. Let's get some ideas rolling for the month of March. Thank you, beauties, so much in advance. Also, I'm feeling very under the weather. I'm in a lot of pain, so hence not going to talk through this one. I'm really sorry. If you're new here, feel free to check out some other videos, and you'll kind of get an idea of my personality and things like that, but I'm happy to have you here. Yeah, I'm going to shut up and get started.